Okay, this is an update on the American Lifan's battery, trying to match it up. This here is, well, I was trying to replace the battery because I thought that, by now I should have a battery problem, but that's not the case. This here is a 650cc taken out from the 250cc bike. And this would be a 250cc battery that the Virago has. So the rating is 80 cold cranking amp, 12 volt, 5 milliamp hour. And that one, the other one on the other side, is a 12 volt, 10 milliamp hour, and the cranking is 180 cold cranking amp. You see, these are two different batteries. That one is a little bit bigger than the other one. I don't think this bike, after all, is a 250, because this is a battery from my scooter, and my scooter is a 250cc. In fact, it's the exact replica of the Honda Helix CN 250cc's. So this is the battery for the scooter, and that one came out from the bike. And when doing research, the 1210 from the label, that's how you mark the labels from these batteries. You'd see that 1000 cc's and 650 cc's has this type of battery. So my question is, did American Lifan import an illegal bike to the USA? Because you see, when you buy things from Alibaba, let's say you buy a scooter, an electric scooter, electric scooter, they would put it as a moped, even though the speed surpasses 35 miles per hour. So I think that bike itself is a 400, because it can't be just a 250 with twin V-twin. It doesn't make sense, even though it looks as similar as a Yamaha XVS250. I don't think it is. That's just my assumptions. It might be a 250. Maybe I'm lucky to get a 400 labeled as a 250, but that battery is questionable. Okay, we're now outside here. This would be the battery compartment. The right side, it looks like an ECU, since this bike is fuel injected. And the company is Bosch. But how is it that a European company, affiliating with a Chinese company? That's still a mystery to be solved. Was it German to Chinese? I think it's German. Yeah, German now, or European. Now you got the fuel pump relay, and you got the starter relay. Now, as I was saying, since the battery's too big, this bike looks more like a Honda Steed 400cc bobber. It was the very first V-twin. Well, don't get me wrong, internet. I just found that out, but you can quote me wrong on this. But they look exactly similar. So I think that their design is made from that. It's just that to pass rating in U.S. Customs, anything that exceed 250 cc's would be a little bit more, even though they're the same weight. So that may be the reason why the Chinese import a bike in the U.S. and label it as a 250cc, while the battery side compartment is a 650, and the overall view, it's a 400cc. That might be just one reason.